It is the biggest international day for the environment, and it is aimed at reminding people about the importance of nature. Here in the Bono East region, stakeholders led by the Regional Environmental Protection Agency observed the day at Deba in Tanaboase, which was marked under the theme Degradation in the Transition Landscape, Restore the Tano River Basin. Emmanuel Lungnile is the Regional Manager of the Environmental Protection Agency.
This day is important for raising public awareness about critical environmental issues and encouraging individuals, communities, groups and nations to take actions that are required to protect the environment. Because the environment provides services that are shared. It provides services that are shared in nature.
He bemoaned some human activities that continuously contribute to land degradation in the transition zone and admonished the people, particularly farmers, to develop the habit of planting more trees on their farms to save the situation.
Mind you, we have indicated that for land restoration to make a significant impact on the ecosystem and on our livelihoods, we have to plant a large number of trees in the areas that are degraded, and also commit ourselves to nurturing the trees that we are growing so that they grow into a forest that can, generate the ecosystem benefits such as the soil erosion control, and many others that we have talked about.
Job Osei is the Chief Executive Officer of Green Generation Farms, who are partners to the event. He disclosed that the negative impacts of climate change is adversely affecting human and animal existence, as the situation is even affecting poultry production in the area.
Looking back some years ago, Techiman was more of a forested area. But what do we see today? Gradually, it is turning into a savanna zone. The temperatures we see here today are very high, and this is affecting the poultry production. It's leading into high mortality rates, is leading into the drop in the egg production. So if we all collaborate and protect the environment, we believe we can reduce the impact.
He encouraged the people of the area to embrace tree planting, adding that each house should at least have a tree planted around it.
We have launched a program in the northern region which we call One Household, One Tree, where we encourage people to plant trees. I believe the general public can take a cue from that, where every house is supposed to plant a tree, at least one house, one tree. If that project is able to stand, we'll see that the entire landscape will be covered with trees.
Nifahene of the Tanaboase traditional area, who spoke on behalf of the Omahene, promised to ensure that steps are taken to help nurture the trees planted on the day, as well as embark on a sensitization campaign to help protect the environment.
Yes, I bought and show any near my beer chair when she was a bohom buying.
Alasabit, Joy News, Tanaboase.